I actually forgot to document most of this process, but I do remember one thing that I struggled with. It was replicating the Archway combat system. So I couldn't actually find a solution on the Discord server because for Unity, the solution was on Discord server and I had copied the code from there, but I couldn't find one for Godot. So I decided to come up with my own solution based on the Unity solution. And I have said solution many times in a row, so I will stop saying solution. So the solution, so the fix was actually successfully made and it was actually working. I know who expected that, and it was so good that I shared it with the Archway Discord server and they pinned it. See? So anyway, one more thing I struggled with is getting the dash right. And now the dash looks like really good, like really good. The inventory system also took a little time to get right, but like it's better now. If you hover over the inventory slots, it kind of extends and it looks cool. I also added supports for chests. Now you can just go to a chest, press E, and it will open the chest and you can drag items into it, outside of it. Stuff, yeah, it's kind of cool. It's very cool in fact. So cool that cool. I also revamped the health system. First of all, the health bar now shows the damage taken as a visual indicator, so it feels good when you're taking damage. Wait, I don't really know if that made sense, but it looks cool now. I did that using twins in Godot. The twins in Godot are the literal best thing ever. They are integrated into Godot, so we don't need an extra plugin for twins. Then I added an invincibility timer and a splash effect. So if you get hit, you're invincible for like 2 seconds. See? Another thing that took me time to get right was the god dang bow. It just wouldn't rotate towards the god dang mouse cursor. Oh my god, I can't really say how much time the god damn bow took, but it works. I added some animations and some squash and stretch to the bow and a visual indicator to the bow in form of an arrow, and it looks good. The way I fixed it was just one line of code. The joys of programming sometimes. The only major thing that is left to convert from Unity to Godot, it was the dialogue system. I banged my head against the wall for hours for implementing the dialogue system, and then I was like, no. Godot has an asset library and all of the assets in it are free since Godot itself is open source. I literally typed dialogue in the search bar and there it was. The dialogue system plugin is made by Nathan Hood. I know I messed up the pronunciation. Or I didn't. I don't know, but anyway, check out his channel. The dialogue system was very easy to integrate. The plugin comes with its own scripting language which is similar to the Ink language which I was using in Unity. I just made an interactable object and added it to an NPC. Let's just say that the Godot logo is an NPC. Then I added the dialogue script to the dialogue script and with only one line of wait. Then I added the dialogue script to the dialogues, and with only one line of code, the dialogue system is working. I would definitely like to implement my own dialogue system, but this works for now. The camera system was by far the easiest thing to implement. If you didn't know, the camera system is in my game is like Archwheel. The camera moves according to the player's position and the mouse cursor's position. I wrote the solution in Unity myself and it was very easy to implement. It's kinda translated the code from Unity to GD script. Yeah, it was easy and it worked.
Hello, this is Pies Crap. I totally did not forget to record the voiceover for this part and I'm totally not somewhere else where I cannot record the voiceover. Anyway, I just wanted to say there are still some things that are left to make, such as the day-night cycle, shop system, and currency system. I would be making those on a later level.
So this devlog is getting pretty long. I just want to wrap up the devlog by saying the things I liked about Godot and the things I did not like about Godot. So the things I liked about Godot are the tile map system, the node system, GD script, and I like how the 2D and 3D functionality is completely separate. I made a whole video on reasons why I like Godot, so you can check that out if you want to. Things I disliked about Godot compared to Unity were like, I liked how you could just drag and drop game objects into fields in Unity, and nothing else actually. Yeah, wait, Godot has a feature for dragging and dropping. So anyway, that's it, and my final decision is I'm gonna be sticking to Godot. In the next devlog, I would be converting some of the final things to the Godot game engine. So that was it. Like this video if you want to, dislike if you don't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.